city being overrun by slime. It's a phenomenon. All of our veteran reporters are out on real news, but we have our intern Adam out in the field. Adam, what can you tell us about what's going on?
Yeah. So that's what's in hot dogs? I didn't know that. I'm on. Hello, this is Adam Rainwater reporting live from... Hello? Is this on? Is it on? Sir.
Well, we seem to have lost Adam out in the field. Hopefully he's safe out there. Let's roll on that B-roll to see what's going on. We'll try to get Adam back as soon as possible. Thanks for staying with us. We are continuing to follow this breaking news story, SLIMEFEST, here at Edmonds First Baptist Church. And this just in, I heard Keith Haygood may be getting slimed. All right, let's tune in right now to see that going on.
Hello, this is Adam Rainwater reporting from Edmonds First Baptist Church. I have some secret intel information about who's going to get slimed. Keith Haygood. Let's go there now.